Hi, today we are replacing the front sway bar link for the E-Class Mercedes-Benz. All right, you can see this is broken already. The boost is broken, so making noise. The grease is gone. So just remove this ABS and the brake sensor out of the way, push it out from here. Then this, I believe, is T40, okay? And put it in to hold. And this is the 18 millimeter to lose it. You can see it's already loose. And another one will be the bottom one, the holder right here. Just use a 18 millimeter wrench and then use the impact 18, but make sure the front part is the universal one, right? So it can move up and down because it's blocked by this, the lower bar link. That's how we're gonna do it, like this. See? So loose just like that and just replace it, okay? Quick and easy. This is the front sway bar link. Gotta replace both because the other side is also, I believe, is broken. The boost is broken right here. I believe, yes. You can obviously look at it right here. Look, the boost is broken too. So basically both sway bar link, the front one, it's an easy, quick job, okay? Just know what kind of tool you need to use, all right? Same exactly way replace the left side. All right, that's it. Good luck.